Our world isn't as ordinary as it seems. Behind everyday life, there are hidden mysteries, ancient secrets, and scientific wonders that almost sound impossible. From plants that communicate underground to mysterious signals from space and natural phenomena that defy logic, these are the 20 shocking facts that will leave you questioning reality itself. Welcome to Hidden Truths. One plants secretly talk to each other underground. Beneath forests lies a hidden network, a fungal internet called the Wood Wide Web. Through microscopic threads called mycorrhizae, trees send nutrients, warnings, and even signals to their neighbors. It's like nature's Wi Fi, completely invisible but always active. 2. A cloud that's older than our solar system. Astronomers have discovered a giant gas cloud in space 13 billion years old, older than Earth, the Sun, and even our solar system. This cosmic relic floats silently, holding the raw materials that once created galaxies. 2. What? Millions of tiny electrical storms are happening in your head without you feeling a thing. 4. A giant blue hole hides in the ocean. Off the coast of Belize, there's a massive underwater sinkhole, the Great Blue Hole, stretching over 300 meters across and 125 meters deep. It's filled with strange stalactites and remains of caves that formed before the last ice age, a literal portal into Earth's past. The human eye can detect a single photon in total darkness. Your eyes are so sensitive that under perfect conditions you can detect a single particle of light. A photon is proof of how incredibly advanced human biology truly is. The six ball lightning, the rare fire orb of the sky. For centuries, people have reported glowing spheres of lightning floating silently during storms. These ball lightning orbs hover, pass through windows, and disappear without a trace. Science still struggles to fully explain how they form. They're one of nature's eeriest mysteries. 7. There's a planet made entirely of diamond. About 40 light years away, astronomers found a planet named 55 Canis due to its extreme pressure and carbon content. Scientists believe a large part of this planet is solid diamond, a real jewel world floating in space. 8. The Earth once had two north poles. Magnetic records show that Earth's poles have flipped and wandered multiple times, and at one point, two north poles existed simultaneously before merging again. If this happened today, it could disrupt all navigation and communication systems worldwide.
9. Oh, there are glaciers that bleed green. In Antarctica, some glaciers don't just bleed red, they ooze green iron-rich water stained by ancient microbes trapped for millions of years. These life forms may offer clues to how organisms could survive on other planets. 10. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates so slowly that one day there is longer than its entire orbit around the sun. Imagine living on a planet where the sun rises and sets only once a year.
Time itself bends differently there. 11. A storm on Jupiter has been raging for 400 years. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm so huge it could swallow three Earths, and it's been raging non-stop for at least 4 centuries. Compared to that, Earth's hurricanes are mere whispers. 12. Rocks that sing in the desert. In Death Valley, certain rock formations produce haunting melodic sounds when strong winds pass through their cracks, creating an eerie natural music in the night. 13. Mozambique has a second brain. Inside your gut lives the enteric nervous system, with over 100 million neurons more than the spinal cord. It controls digestion independently and even influences your emotions. That gut feeling is very real. 14. Rain can fall without clouds. In some rare atmospheric conditions, rain has been recorded falling from a clear blue sky, a phenomenon called phantom rain, where invisible thin clouds high above release water droplets that evaporate before reaching the ground. Mutter. There's a mountain inside the earth bigger than Everest. Deep in the Earth's mantle, scientists have found structures taller than Mount Everest, hidden thousands of kilometers underground. They're so massive they may influence earthquakes and volcanic activity due to Earth constantly harms. Even without earthquakes, the planet emits a low frequency vibration like a constant hum. It's inaudible to humans but detected by sensitive instruments, and scientists still don't fully know why. 17. Waka, your memories aren't perfect, they are rewritten. Every time you recall a memory, your brain adapts and restores it, sometimes changing small details. This means some of your oldest memories might not be accurate. Your brain is like a storyteller, not a camera. 17. Waka, your memories aren't perfect, they are rewritten. Every time you recall a memory, your brain adapts and restores it, sometimes changing small details. This means some of your oldest memories might not be accurate. Your brain is like a storyteller, not a camera. A mysterious radio signal repeats every 16 days. Astronomers detected a repeating fast radio burst coming from a distant galaxy like a cosmic beacon. Every 16 days, it pulses with mathematical precision, and its source remains unknown. Lightning can strike the same place thousands of times. The Empire State Building gets struck by lightning about 25 times a year, but some trees in Africa have survived hundreds of strikes, still standing as silent witnesses to nature's fury. The death zone above Earth, above 800 kilometers in space. There's a dangerous region filled with defunct satellites and space junk orbiting at deadly speeds. Even a tiny fragment can destroy spacecraft on impact, turning Earth's orbit into a cosmic minefield. From diamond planets to talking forests, from glaciers that bleed to radio signals from deep space, the universe is far stranger than we can imagine. Each fact is a window, not just into the past or the future, but into the hidden layers of reality we walk through every day. Stay curious because the next hidden truth might be closer than you think.